In GanttPRO, each of your projects has a set of standard fields. In addition to them, you can also create custom ones. Custom fields are additional fields you can create to store specific information about your tasks or projects. There are 9 types of custom fields available in GanttPRO. They let you tailor projects to your workflows, making it more personalized and easier to track exactly what matters most for your project. To add a custom field within a project, click directly on the Custom Fields button. In case any custom fields already exist within your project, you will see them below. This modal window allows you to perform 2 actions. Either add an existing field from the global library of custom fields that are available at the account level, or create a new one. To create a new custom field, you need to title it and select its type. Once you save it, the new custom field appears in your project grid. You can hide the field by ticking off the checkbox, add it, or delete it. Also, your newly created field is added to the global library of custom fields and can be used in other projects as well. That is why, keep in mind that any changes made to the custom field will apply to all projects where the field is used, not just the current one. Now, let's assign a custom value to a task. From now on, you can also filter your tasks by custom values. To do this, click on the Filter button, scroll down to your custom field, and select the needed value. Custom fields are a simple way to make your project reflect how your team actually works. Do you use custom fields in your projects?